Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to try a voiceover. This may be my last ever voiceover video. We'll just have to see how it goes. But today I am unboxing a Harry Potter crochet kit. And this is a kit that you can get at Sam's Club. It was around 15 bucks. And it comes with a couple different selections of yarn, a crochet hook, some safety eyes, stuff like that for a Harry Potter project. So we have the book here that includes a bunch of different patterns for a bunch of different characters. On the box it says it has Harry, Ron, Hermione, Dobby, Hagrid, Dumbledore, Snape, McGonagall, Voldemort, Ginny, the Sorting Hat, Hedwig, Norbert the Dragon, and all of the house robes and scarves, which is pretty cool. And then it comes with all these colors of yarn. I would suggest that even if you're new to crochet, but especially if you're not, I would suggest that before you start going out and buying more yarn, because this yarn, the texture isn't great and there's not enough of it to make all of the characters. On the box it specifically says that it has the correct colors to make Harry Potter and Dobby with his sock and basically nothing else. So if you want to do all the other patterns, definitely get some more yarn for those. And last but not least, we have the crochet hook, which is kind of like a little replica of Harry's wand, which is cool. It does feel pretty cheap, so you might just want to display it as kind of like a fun little knick-knack, but I would probably suggest crocheting with one of your own crochet hooks that you're comfortable with. So yeah, it's a pretty cool little kit, it comes with lots of cool instructions and, adds that little bit of magic to a craft. So yeah, thank you for watching this unboxing. I am definitely planning on making a series of all the characters in the near future, so watch out for that if you're interested. And yeah, if you're thinking that you might want to start crocheting, or you have somebody you know who's interested in starting to crochet, this could be a good option for them, and it's just super fun. Lots of projects pre-planned for you, so you don't have to look through a bunch of patterns on Pinterest or wherever you get your stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The link will be in the description if you want to look at the Sam's Club website. So yeah, thank you for watching.